In this video, I will show you how to work on data entry. So guys, you can enter data for any type of document, PDF, which you have, and you want to learn how to work on data entry. So just you need data and you can create and you can enter that data very easily. So, so guys, in this series, I will show you some more popular data entry example. First one, I will show you how to enter data for employee salary. So firstly, leave this first and second row, and in the third row type here ID number, name, gender, age, date of joining, designation, basic salary, address and contact number. Now select these two rows, then click on merge and center. Now here type employee data. Now according your data, make borders. So click here and select all borders. Now we can see we need some space for some text. So like this, double click this column border. Now here, select center and make some size and style. So select and here select any different color. Now select this one row like this. Now select all and change the size. Now here bold. Again we need to adjust size for column. Same double click. Now here click on file and options. Now quick access toolbar, and here select all commands, and in this list you have to search form. So here you have to find out form, select it, then click on add, then click on OK. Now select, then here click on this form, here click on OK. So now you have this all options. Now type ID number, name, gender, age, date of joining, designation like manager, and basic salary, address, sector 39, and contact number. Then click on new. So this way guys, you can enter data in Microsoft Excel. Now if you see you need some space, so again click here. Now select these all and make it center like this. So this way you can enter data. Now guys, something more you need to know. This is the example. You can enter this way as much as you need to enter the data. But in case you want to turn this data form into vertical form or horizontal form, so select, then copy, and select any cell, paste, paste special, and just select here transpose, then click on OK. Now similar, make proper line space like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.